Hello guys and welcome back to our Excel video training. Today we're going to continue with commonly used hotkeys and we will take a closer look at formatting. So let's begin. Before we start, I just want to add a quick note that on some keyboards you need to use a thumb button with F keys, and for some keyboards you need to use a thumb button with keys like home and page up and page down. So our first shortcut is about formatting text. If you want to make a text bold, you need to press Ctrl B and it will automatically bold your text. If you want to undo it, if you want to unbold the text, if you press one more time Ctrl B, it will automatically make it look as same as before. If you want to italize text, you need to press Ctrl and I, and if you want to undo it, you just need to press one more time. If you want to underline a text, the shortcut for it is Ctrl U. And if you want to redo what you did, you just need to press one more time and it will automatically remove the underline. If you want to cross the text, you need to press Ctrl and 5. And if you want to uncross it, you just need to press one more time Ctrl and 5. Perfect. So repeat previous action. So let's say you want to make the text bold in both of those cells, and you just need to start with making the text bold in A1 by pressing Ctrl and B. So if you directly go to cell A2 by pressing arrow down, you just need to simply press F4 button instead of using the shortcut to make the previous action. Just simple as that. Formatting numbers. So if you want to format numbers, if you want to format the specific cell as percentage, all you need to do is press Ctrl, Shift, and the percentage sign, and it will automatically make it look like a percentage. If you want to format it as general, you need to press Ctrl, Shift, and the tilde sign, and it will make it look like a general number. If you want to format the cell as a currency, you need to press Ctrl, Shift, and the dollar sign, and it will automatically make it look like a currency. Find and replace. So to find and replace button, what we do is we can just find any value in the spreadsheet and we can replace with any other value. So for example, if you want to replace all sales with revenue on this sheet, all you need to do is first you need to press Ctrl and H to open the find and replace window, and from here you need to type sales in that specific area where it says find what. So as we said before, we want to find the sales and we want to replace those values with revenue. So for the first blank, we need to type sales. And if we press that, we will automatically move to the second area below. And we want to replace sales with revenue. So all we need to do is just enter revenue. And since we want to replace all sales values in this spreadsheet with revenue, we need to click the replace all button, or we can use the shortcut as simply pressing Alt and the underlined letter in this button, which is A. So as you can see, Microsoft Excel gave us the warning that it's all done and it made two different replacements. So if you press OK, you can see that in the cell A3 and A9 we had sales before, but now we change it to revenue. To close this find and replace window, we just need to press escape button and it's all done. Format cells. So if you press Ctrl and 1, it will automatically pop up the format cells window, and as you can see, we have 6 different main topics in this area, which are numbers, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. So in this menu you can do whatever you want in terms of formatting a specific cell. So if you want to move from number to alignment to font, so if you want to move clockwise between the main topics in this window, you need to press Ctrl and page down. And we just moved from numbers to alignments and alignments to fonts. If you want to move backwards, if you want to move counterclockwise between those topics, you need to press Ctrl and page up and it will move back. So once you select your topic, if you want to go below that topic, you just need to press Tab and it will automatically move clockwise within that specific topic. If you press one more time, we will just keep moving clockwise in this specific window. If you want to move counterclockwise within this menu, you just need to press Shift and Tab and it will automatically move counterclockwise. Perfect. So we have a quick exercise about how to format cells. As you can see, we have two values in A2 and C2 cells, and we know that they do have the same values. So both of those cells shows minus 5,000, but only the difference between those two cells are the formats. So what we want to do is we want to make the format in C2 cell as same as A2 by using format cells. To do this, we need to first open format cells window by clicking Ctrl and 1. And from here, we want to change the format in C2 and make it look like as A2, which is a currency. So what we need to do is we need to move underneath the number menu to the category area, and we need to change the currency. So we just need to press C because it's the first letter of the needed topic. So if you press C, it will automatically move to the currency category underneath the number menu. So we found out that we just need to make this cell look like a currency, but as you can see, we have a sample that if you press OK, right now it will look like negative sign, a dollar sign, and a 5,000 with 2 decimal places. But we want to make it look like, instead of a negative sign, we want to make it look like with the parentheses, and we just only need 1 decimal places. So what we need to do is, from the currency, we just need to move clockwise within the window to the decimal places, and we just need to reduce the decimal places to 1, which we can simply do it by pressing down arrow. Since we finished the decimal places difference between those two cells, we just need to select the correct format to make that cell look with the parentheses as a negative number. As you can see, the third option in the negative numbers are just the format that we want. So we just need to move to there by pressing tab and one more time. And right now we're in the negative numbers area, and if we choose third format by simply using our arrow keys and press enter, it will automatically look like as A2 cell. So custom format. Excel has tons of different practice formats for you to just select one, but if you want to create your own format, all you need to do is open format cells window. From here, you just need to press tab and go underneath the number main topic, and as you can see at the end, we have the custom category. So if you press end button, it will automatically move to the custom, and as you can see right now, in the type we have general, but let's say we want to change that type and we want to make a custom format. So I'll just give you an example. If you press 0 space and type years and press enter, the cell in this B2 will look like 5 years. So if you put 2500 any different numeric value in B2, it will automatically pop up that specific number, space, and years. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. As you can see, we have the list for every single shortcut in this chapter, and if you want to practice by your own, you can go to our website hotkeyexcel.com and download our game. Playing Hotkey Excellence will actually build your muscle memory and make you look super fast and proficient in Excel. So thank you guys, and see you on the next video.